Tastemakers, Tanya here. Welcome to Tanya's Tasteful Table, where we live tastefully for less. Today we are making boo basket. What are boo baskets? Boo baskets are Halloween or fall themed gift baskets that you give to your boo, your favorite person. It can be anything that you want, but you have to keep the recipient in mind. Does that recipient like self-care? Do they like makeup? Do they like cozy stuff? Do they like blankets and cozy socks? And do they like snacks? So today we're going to do a movie night snack basket, boo basket, that you can, if someone invites you over for Netflix and chill on Halloween, you can bring something and have it, make it festive. Okay, so first we're going to need a basket bag. And let me show you how I did mine. Okay, so I took one of those tubs. Let me see, everything here came from Dollar Tree. The basket bag, the bucket, and let's see. So all the recipients' favorite things are, they love Raisinets. They like these little water enhancers, cotton candy, Halloween theme. And this is the only Halloween theme in here, except for the bucket. Let's see, Boston baked beans, all the things that you like for movie night. Twizzlers and M&Ms. They love these cheese balls, cheese popcorn, and guess what? The filler. See, you're doing these for your boo, so, most of the time when we do a gift basket, we have like paper and stuff in here. No, not for your boo. Every little space is going to have a treat in it. So these are pretzels. Okay, so, and the little bucket you can have year after year. Where you can just put candy in it, put a plant in here. Nice plant like next year. Or we could do another gift bag next year, another movie night. So we're going to stick this in here. Let me bring you guys down a bit. I just got back from my eye doctor's appointment. You know how they dilate your eyes and the sunlight just kills it? And so your eyes are real funny for a while. So that's how I am. Okay, so we're going to put all the big stuff. That's what you do. The best thing you can do is get big stuff. And then we put this here. Cotton candy. And I'll put the Raisinets right here. Put M&Ms there. Put the drink. 8 singles. Yes, 8 single packs here. Put our Boston baked beans there. We'll put our Twizzlers right here. This is a 360. Okay. It's cute. See how fast that was? So I need to step back, make sure everything's centered. I'm going to center everything around the jack-o'-lantern space. Okay, we make sure everything is neat and secure. We try to keep everything at the same level. this is the top level here. And then going down, so that's good. Okay, so now put it on the center it. I'm gonna come around. Now I'm going to turn it around in just a minute. So I take the corners and pull it all, let's put some tape on the corner, pull it all the way around. We're going for kind of like a shrink wrap look without, trying to pull out the shrink wrap gun, the heat gun. Just taping back the excess. See how neat that is? Okay. But just make it neat. You don't have to do, I've done this for a living. This is just how I do it. Just make it as neat as you can. You're not, if you haven't done hundreds of gift baskets with all different shapes and sizes, but if you want to just do this particular style of a boo basket, these are just techniques I want to share with you on how you get the best, most professional look that you possibly can. Everything came from Dollar Tree, even this tape. I'm running out now. Okay, so we press the air out. And we tied it. These gift bags, these basket bags, come with a twist tie. Gather it. Tie it tightly because you may be transporting this. Tie it tightly in the center. And here is my posh bow. This is the bows I make. I call them posh bows. That's the name of my company. Posh Plants and Gifts. So this is just a signature bow that I do. So we put our little black. And everything came from Dollar Tree. The ribbon and everything. So you see, and I was strategic in getting orange stuff. See the orange in the packaging. And then since the jack-o'-lantern bucket has this black, that's why I chose this black bow. And just fluff everything nicely. And here is our movie night. Make it as neat as you can. And this is our movie night boo basket. Yes, I love it. It has everything that the recipient likes. This can be for 2, or one. And that's just, you know, late at night. You don't even have to say anything. If you're with your boo that night and y'all sitting around watching a scary movie on Halloween, and you just go and you pull this out. Okay, guys, so I want to thank you so much for tuning in today. I appreciate your support. And if you got some inspiration or ideas about boo baskets watching this video, I appreciate it if you hit that thumbs up button. And so glad you tuned in. Welcome and thank you for viewing my Vlogtober series. And I want to thank you for all of your support. I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Bye, Mom.